This is why I love Toyota, guys. Check this out. I'm putting in the fuse box and the wiring today, and look at that. Perfect. Perfectly lines up. Perfectly goes into the firewall. Same rubber grommet as the 4Runner and the GX 470. It's all coming together. These are going to reach around just fine. See, there is a lot to do, a lot of shove through. Got another hole there, but should come together pretty good. The only concerning part I have is this guy here, the ABS module. So let's see here. See, I've got a 3-pin, and that's a 2-pin. 3-pin versus 2. That's not going to work. Here on the end, this is rectangular. Let's see if I've got any. So that's a 5-pin and maybe a 10-pin. Hard to tell, but in here, yeah, that's not gonna fit on there. Definitely not. So I have some differences there between what's on the GX. So I'm gonna either have to switch the whole module complete, which I didn't want to do. I didn't really want to mess with the brakes and bleed them right now. I've got so much other stuff to do. But otherwise, I have to kind of find the schematic for this and figure out which pins from here go to here. And this big connector has a ton of pins, so I don't think it's going to work out. I'm going to flip this upside down so I can show you. There's just so much more going on in there than I believe what I have between here, here, and here for those two, but I'll have to dive into that with the schematics and see what I can find. The rest of this should be fine and plug right in. Already have it going through the firewall. Got to bring over the main electronics and ECUs from there into the interior and take out what I had before, which was my old plan of having the 4Runner wiring. So should be good. All right, here with the pup, little mascot, the project, Izzy. Just wanted to comment again how perfectly all of the GX 470 wiring fits into the FJ. It's like every ground, perfect spot, ABS connector, perfect. I did lift the body 2 inches, so I couldn't use the exact mount for the ABS connectors, but I did get them connected in the right spot, the right connectors. Fuse box fit perfectly. There's another body ground there, perfect. Now the only thing, 2 things that aren't perfect, like I said, ABS module connectors, and see this little mess of wires here? The FJ has dual headlight, dual beam, so it has 3 metal contacts. You can't really see here, but the GX has different light bulbs for high beam and low beam. It's all within this mess, and so the connectors are split. And it also has a little bit different connectors for the side blinkers. So I will have to change the wiring, the connector for those. And that won't be hard. That'll be fine. This connector here is coming around for the plastic intake parts, so I'll get that on. But ready to go. This thing is coming together now.